Imagine unlocking a secret weapon inside your own body, a natural healing system that can detoxify your cells, burn stubborn fat, reset your immune system, and even help fight diseases like cancer. All you have to do is stop eating for a while. Sounds simple, right? But fasting is so much more than just skipping meals. It's a powerful, science-backed method to trigger your body's deepest repair processes, boost mental clarity, and promote longevity like nothing else. Welcome to Edge Genesis, where every week we bring you the latest in longevity science and proven strategies to help you live healthier, stronger, and longer. If you want to unlock your body's true potential and feel better than ever, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Now, let's explore together exactly what happens inside your body when you fast, hour by hour, and why fasting is quickly becoming the world's most exciting health breakthrough. What happens when you eat? When you eat, your body primarily uses glucose, a sugar derived from carbohydrates, as its fuel source. Blood sugar levels rise, and your pancreas releases insulin, the hormone responsible for helping cells absorb glucose for energy or storage. This state is known as the fed state and lasts approximately 4 hours after your last meal. Your body's focus during this time is digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and storing any excess energy as fat. Constantly being in this fed state can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and chronic inflammation, all major drivers of metabolic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The switch? From sugar burner to fat burner. About 4 hours after your last bite, digestion ends and blood sugar starts to decline. Insulin levels decrease accordingly, signaling your body to shift its energy source. Instead of burning glucose, your metabolism switches to burning stored fat. This transition is often called metabolic switching and is the foundation of fasting's powerful benefits. Your liver converts fat into ketone bodies, molecules that your brain and muscles can efficiently use for fuel. This ketone production not only sustains your energy, but also acts as a signaling molecule that promotes many health benefits. Around 12 hours, the magic of autophagy begins. One of the most exciting things that happens during fasting is the activation of autophagy. Coined from the Greek meaning self-eating, autophagy is your cell's way of cleaning up damaged proteins and dysfunctional components. Think of it as your body's own recycling and detoxification system. This process is crucial because damaged and old cellular parts can cause dysfunction and contribute to aging and disease. Autophagy helps prevent the accumulation of these harmful components, promoting cellular health and longevity. In 2016, Yoshinori Ohsumi received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his groundbreaking work on autophagy, highlighting its importance in human health. Between 16 and 24 hours, ketones rise and brain function improves. As fasting continues, ketone production ramps up significantly. Your brain, which normally relies heavily on glucose, starts using ketones as a primary energy source. Ketones are a cleaner, more efficient fuel that can enhance mental clarity, focus, and mood. Many people practicing intermittent fasting report a boost in cognitive performance during this phase, with reduced brain fog and increased concentration. Beyond 24 hours, immune system reset and DNA repair. Passing the 24-hour mark brings your body into deeper healing territory. Your stem cells, the master cells responsible for regenerating tissues, become more active. The immune system undergoes a renewal process as the body clears out old and damaged immune cells, replacing them with new ones. Additionally, DNA repair mechanisms intensify, fixing accumulated damage caused by environmental stressors and aging. This rejuvenation strengthens your defenses against infection, inflammation, and chronic disease, reducing inflammation and fighting cancer. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many illnesses, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Extended fasting helps lower systemic inflammation, decreasing your risk of these conditions. Fasting also promotes apoptosis, the programmed death of damaged or precancerous cells. This natural cleansing process is critical for cancer prevention. 48 to 72 hours. Stem cell activation and whole body regeneration. The benefits deepen dramatically when fasting extends to 2 or 3 days. At this point, your body activates stem cells in bone marrow and other tissues, rebuilding the immune system and repairing organs. This deep reset can improve longevity and resilience, essentially turning back the cellular clock. Fasting and longevity. Multiple animal studies have shown that fasting can extend lifespan. By reducing oxidative stress, lowering inflammation, and enhancing cellular repair, fasting protects your cells from damage, slowing the aging process. Now, here's what really matters: the health benefits you can't ignore. Fasting significantly boosts your overall health. It strengthens your immune system, reduces inflammation, protects your heart, and lowers the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. These life-changing health benefits are the real reason to start fasting. And as a beautiful bonus, how fasting improves your appearance. Many people notice clearer, healthier skin after starting to fast regularly. Autophagy removes damaged cells and toxins that cause inflammation and accelerate skin aging. Reduced inflammation means fewer breakouts, less redness, and a radiant, youthful glow. Fasting also supports collagen production, which tightens and firms the skin, reducing wrinkles and sagging. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing smoother, fresher skin, a reflection of the deep healing going on inside your body. Fasting's effect on body composition. By burning stored fat, fasting helps reduce stubborn belly fat and love handles. The metabolic switch to fat burning turns your body into an efficient fat-burning machine, even at rest. This leads to a leaner, fitter physique, without the need for extreme diets or endless hours at the gym. You'll feel lighter, more energetic, and confident in your body. Fasting and brain health. Ketones provide superior fuel for your brain, protecting neurons from damage and improving cognitive function. Many people experience enhanced focus, mood stability, and creativity during fasting. Getting started with fasting. Start gently with a 12 to 16-hour fasting window, such as skipping breakfast or stopping eating earlier in the evening. Stay hydrated with water, herbal teas, or black coffee. Break your fast with nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, healthy fats, and quality proteins. Listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Fasting should feel empowering, not punishing. If you have medical conditions, are pregnant, or nursing, consult your healthcare provider before beginning fasting. Real-life transformations. Countless people worldwide have transformed their health with fasting. Losing weight, reversing diabetes, reducing inflammation, and gaining energy and mental clarity. You too can experience these changes by making fasting part of your lifestyle. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling lighter, clearer, and more alive. Picture your skin glowing, your body leaner, and your mind sharper. That's the incredible power of fasting. If you found this video inspiring, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who wants to unlock their body's true healing potential. Thank you for watching Edge Genesis, where your journey to longevity begins.